joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV World Cup update.
Welcome the viewers and subscribers. How you all doing? You know it's Links 007 TV World Cup update. So Morocco has been kicked out of the World Cup and France and Argentina are through to the finals. So Morocco put up a good fight and people have to take this time to actually commend them on their wonderful performance in the World Cup 2022 in Qatar, as they were an underdog in the actual competition itself, and to actually realize that they went this far in the World Cup is really a good look. And even though there have been many speculation going on into the World Cup, this World Cup 2022 have been a massive upset for many of the high profile teams, including Brazil that was kicked out earlier in the competition, and a number of other teams that people thought would have performed well in various aspects of the sport itself. So well tried Morocco, and I wanted to say to you that the Moroccan team really did all they could in order to put up a wonderful fight in the competition itself. But as you know, the better team wins the competition, and it's going to be a hectic showdown between these two teams that are about to take part in the actual competition itself, in the actual finals, which will be Argentina against France, which will see millions of people tuning in order to witness this spectacular moment. But well tried Morocco, and I just want to take this time just to wish them all the best in their football career, and I just hope that they do find the strength in order to pursue another dream of becoming World Cup champion, because people were very doubtful of them, and to actually realize that they went this far in the competition, trust me, it really was a good look. And I know that they felt proud, even though they are disappointed that they did not make it into the final. But the fact that they made it into the semi-finals, which many teams thought they would have, including Brazil, is one of those things that we really needs to be highlighted, and we really need to be commended for their actual work that they have put in into the actual competition itself. So much love and much respect. This has been Links 007 TV World Cup update. Peace out and bless.